Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the action button to open the controls menu. Now scroll through this menu and find the lock screen icon. And to lock the touchscreen, simply tap on this icon. You will see this lock icon on the screen, and it means that the touchscreen is locked. So basically you can use the touchscreen until you unlock it. This option is quite useful if you want, for example, to take a shower with your watch on, or swimming with your watch on, or you go to sleep with your watch on, because it will prevent the mistouches on the touchscreen. And once you want to unlock the screen, you can press and hold the action button and keep holding it until you see the unlocked lock icon on the screen, and this means that the screen is unlocked. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.